Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to show tax included prices on Odoo. So Odoo allows you to display product prices with taxes already included, which is common for VAT based e-commerce stores. So for example, a product price displays 120 dollars and includes the 20% VAT. So instead of $100 plus tax. Okay, and actually guys, you will need to see it. You will need to open the tax configuration. So you'll need to go with accounting. If you don't have this app, you will need to add it from the apps right here and just install it inside it. So go with configurations now. All right, and then go with taxes. Okay, so here guys, you will need to open the tax that you want to use. Okay, so for example, this one. And actually, guys, inside the tax settings, you will need to find the included and price. So you will find it inside the advanced options right here. Just go ahead and that's the included in price option. So just click it and then go with tax included, right? And make sure that box is check marked, right? And then just save the changes, and this tells Odoo the product price already contains tax. So actually guys, now if you want to check on the products, you will find that the tax is not shown, okay, and it's included inside or and the price of that product. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.